In the world of AI, expect the unexpected. Today on AI Mastery Adventure, we're uncovering the 12 jobs most threatened by AI in just 730 days. The last one is beyond anyone's wildest expectations. Number 12, Graphic Designers, AI's Creative Challenge. AI tools like Canva and DALL-E are transforming graphic design. But it's not just about automation. It's about augmentation. Designers, it's your time to merge artistic flair with eye speed to create unparalleled works. Number 11, Customer Service Representatives, Chatbots vs. Human Touch. AI is redefining customer service with efficient chatbots. However, the real game changer is the blend of AI efficiency and human empathy. Discover how you can excel in this new era of customer service. Number 10, Translators and Interpreters, Beyond AI Translation. AI is rapidly learning languages, but cultural nuances remain a human stronghold. Find out how translators can stay indispensable by focusing on these subtleties that AI cannot grasp. Number 9, Assembly Line Workers, Robotics and Human Skills. Robotic automation is revolutionizing manufacturing, yet human skills in maintenance and design are more crucial than ever. Let's explore the evolving role of human workers alongside robots. Number 8, Content Writers, Authenticity in the AI Era. AI is reimagining content creation, but the soul of storytelling remains human. Learn how to leverage AI tools to enhance your unique narrative and writing style. Number 7, Data Entry Specialists, the new data analysts. With AI handling data entry, the real opportunity lies in data analysis. Transitioning to data analytics opens a new realm of career possibilities. Dive into how this shift can be your next big move. Number 6, Accountants and Bookkeepers, Embracing FinTech. AI is reshaping finance, but there's a twist: it's not replacing accountants, it's empowering them. Discover how blending AI with traditional skills can make you a FinTech wizard. Number 5, Market Research Analysts, AI-Enhanced Insights. AI analytics are transforming market research, offering insights of unprecedented depth. Learn how analysts can use AI to deliver more impactful, data-driven advice. Number 4, Legal Assistants, the human element in law. AI is making inroads into legal assistance, but the nuanced understanding of human interaction remains key. Well, discuss how legal assistants can adapt and excel in this new landscape. Number 3, Financial Planners and Tax Preparers, Personalized Advisory in the Age of AI. AI's rise in finance isn't a threat, it's a tool. Find out how financial professionals can combine AI with their expertise for superior, personalized financial advice. Number 2, Junior Software Developers, Specializing Beyond AI. AI might code, but it doesn't innovate like humans. Uncover how junior developers can stay ahead by mastering emerging technologies and complex problem solving. And now, the unexpected twist. The last hustle most at risk? It's AI Ethics Advisor. As AI advances, the need for ethical guidance in its application becomes crucial. This emerging field is not just about understanding AI, but guiding its impact on society. It's a role that blends technology with philosophy, offering a unique and vital perspective in the AI era. The AI revolution is here, bringing challenges and opportunities. Embrace the change, upskill, and join the future. Stay with AI Mastery Adventure for more insights into the world of AI. The future is now.